You know the difference between value and price. Value is delivering what you want, not just what you need, every time. A product you trust and service you deserve. Outstanding quality and exceptional price. At Lewis Access, we've been delivering value for 20 years. We only ever work directly with our customers. Manufactured to order without delay. No shops, no markups, and no excuses. Just British Standard Kitemark approved towers. Proudly made to safety assured quality in our UK foundry and factory, and sold directly to those that use them. We've invested in manufacturing, innovated with technology, and committed to recycling and cost efficiency to create superior products at unmatchable prices. And all with a single ambition: to make every customer glad they bought a Lewis product.